Welcome to Davi Toons Club. Today, we're going to draw Grogu, also known as Baby Yoda, from the Star Wars universe, in our style, inspired by the original design. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and leave your like. It really helps the channel grow. Grab your tools, get comfy, and let's start drawing together. Let's start with the eyes. Large, black, and super expressive. They're one of Grogu's most iconic features. And remember, if any part feels tricky, just pause the video and take your time. Now draw the small nose, very subtle and centered between the eyes. Grogu is popularly known as Baby Yoda, although he is not actually Yoda. His real name, Grogu, was revealed later in the series The Mandalorian. He belongs to the same mysterious species as Yoda and Yaddle. Grogu is about 50 years old, but still considered a child in his species. He is highly sensitive to the Force, even at a young age. Let's shape the top of the head, smooth and slightly rounded. Add the forehead wrinkles, using soft, curved lines to give him that wise and gentle look. Let's add the cheeks, slightly rounded and delicate. Now draw the large ears, extending outward in long triangular shapes. Refine the ears, adding thickness and slight curves to make them feel soft and alive. If you're enjoying this drawing, don't forget to leave a like and share this video with your friends. You can also check out other cartoon-style tutorials right here on the channel. Just click the card above. And tell me in the comments, which character should we draw next? Oh, and stay tuned because later this week, we'll also have a super fun retro version of Baby Yoda. Draw the small mouth, subtle and calm, matching his peaceful expression. Oh, look, he's so cute, isn't he? Now sketch the fuzzy collar of the coat, and later we'll add small strokes to create a soft texture effect. Grogu often uses the Force instinctively, rather than through formal training. His design was inspired by a mix of puppetry and animatronics. He became one of the most popular characters in modern Star Wars. His species has never been officially named in the Star Wars canon. The Mandalorian, Din Djarin, becomes his protector throughout the series. Let's draw the coat, shaping the body with a simple vertical form. Notice how the coat covers the entire body, including the feet, giving that cozy appearance. Now, draw the left arm, slightly bent, with the sleeve ending in a fluffy edge. Add the left hand, mostly hidden inside the sleeve, keeping it simple. Let's draw the right arm, raised, also with a long, fuzzy sleeve. Now draw the right hand open, forming the classic gesture Grogu makes when using the Force. Under that sleeve, we add another inner layer, giving more depth to the clothing. All right, now we've got something. To finish the line art, we slightly thicken some lines for shadow and add small strokes on the collar and sleeves to create that soft, fuzzy texture. For colors, we mainly use soft green for the skin and warm beige tones for the coat. Pretty obvious, right? But feel free to color your Grogu however you like. And here's our baby Yoda, very cute and ready for another adventure. I hope you had fun and were inspired. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.